Hey, welcome to SC Custom Designs. It's Saturday, and boy, is my little mini vacation flying by, especially when I'm in the wood shop having all kinds of fun. So if you're following my series, I made this unit. There's 10 units that are done. They're outside in the polish shed. Please look up the series on the coffee and tea tray. Very, very simple concept. Got nice angles going on here. We have the luan that's in the side, embedded in the side of the wood, so it's going to be very strong for its life. It can be a planter, you know, put your plants in there. It even looks like this. This is the new style. It looks like a bed, doesn't it? But this is level 2. So this will be level 1. You can charge for whatever price there. And then level 2 is more intricate, so putting more time into it. I also plan on putting a handle into the not this one here. This is going to be just a router bit, a roundover that just is going to just make a little indent here. That way your fingers have something to grab onto. All right, I think I'm gonna have to go to the next level, and before I do through handles, okay, whatever. So I got to get these guys out. We got 2 shows this year, so we got to get busy. Maybe 3 or 4 shows. All right, so I wanted to show you how I did that. It's very, very easy. If you have a bandsaw, you can achieve this very easily on the bandsaw. If you don't have to get an expensive one, I have one that's semi sort of lonely over there. You know, that's the first one I bought, and when I bought it and started to use it, I was teased because I didn't have the power in it. So I got a 14-inch jet. So there you go. So here's what we do, my friends. What I did is I measured down 1 inch this way. Okay, let's see here. Sorry, guys. Oop, wait, 1 inch this way. Okay, and then 2 inches in from here. 2 inches in from the bottom, 1 inch up, and then just draw a line like this. That's as easy as it gets. Okay, so then I'm gonna just put them together parallel like so. I'm going to grab some painter's tape, which is your best friend when you're doing things in tandem like this. It's just going to hold everything right there in place for you. And now I'm going to cut 2 pieces at once. Oh, so that's how easy that is. I'm going to pick you up and bring you over to this area here. If you're watching this on a TV, I apologize for all the movement. I haven't purchased a quality system. How am I going to do this? Maybe I'll just come over here. Let's see if what we can see from here. Not much. See, I'm sorry. I just don't have a great system other than moving my camera around. I work alone, and so there you go. How's that? That's still not so good. All right, that's gonna have to do it, my friends. All right, so maybe I'll take this and move it a little bit this way. How's that? So it's better. Okay. Make sure you wear ear protection, for which I'm looking at the moment, and I don't see it. I'm going to go ahead, here it is. Because otherwise, you know, at 55 years old, my hearing isn't the greatest. I'm going to hold on to what I have left. So, where are you? Oh my goodness. Let's just bring you back over here. Again, I apologize if you're watching on a big TV. Now, don't be too worried if you go a little bit wavy here. Just going to take this. Okay, and look how quick that was, my friends. So we just took it to the next level just by cutting a couple slots out of it here like this. So now we can take the tape off. And pin it together. Now, level 3 of these units is going to be to join them with perhaps dovetail or pintail. Okay. You don't bother doing fancy joinery when you ask a customer, what kind of joints would you like? Do you like dovetails? And if they say, what are those? That's your first clue that you could make butt joints and give it to them and say they're dovetails. I would never do that, but the point is that they will, perhaps they just don't appreciate the craft and what that is. All right, so let's see here. I got the wrong one in there. So yeah, look how quick this is when you go just from one level to the next. This is how easy it is. So I always do a dry fit to make sure everything is cool, and it looks like it's going to be cool. Notice that I blew out the air from the end grain because that can tend to be dusty. And I'm going to give it a generous amount of glue. I think the glue, the wood is very thirsty. This is pine. And I just want to make sure I got enough glue. I got water and rags sitting, paper towels is what I use to clean up my glue. I'm ready to attack that. So this unit that I'm using here is called the Glue Bot. If you don't have a glue bot, I recommend that you do. Go out and get it. It's going to help you to get the glue on efficiently and quickly. I still like to take my fingers and rub the glue in. They have all kinds of different suggestions for you out there. And what can I say? I like to do it that way. No harm, no foul. Alright, so I set that down like so. We take our pin gun. All the tools you see, look up the reviews please on my channel. I like to do reviews on them. And there you go. Throw that back in there. We have about 400 videos on my channel for SE Custom Designs. Please subscribe. If you like what you see, leave your positive, hopefully a few negative comments. We do want to learn and share the knowledge. Just know that I'm not an expert at what I do. I'll just come down here. This is a business that I have, me and my wife actually. I do the woodworking and she does the makes Renaissance clothes and wedding dresses, and she's just incredible with cloth. She's just made me a whole series of shirts, t-shirts, various other types of fancy names. I don't know what they are. Alright, so you see how quick this goes together. And these guys here, I'm probably going to do some in beeswax, some I'm going to get my heat gun, and I'm going to burn the grain. That's a lot of fun. Boy, does that make the wood handsome when you just, gives it that antique-y look if you just take a heat gun and burn some of that pine, pitch, resin. I get it. So, my pneumatic pin gun is semi-retired now. If you look through and find the video where I'm making a cabinet, a bookshelf, I was literally inside the bookshelf with my pneumatic pin gun, and the hose kept getting in the way. No more, my friends. Oh my God. I'm now more inclined to use a pin gun. My pin gun. You know, it sure saves having to lug out the tank, you know, and set up the electric and etc. So you do want to get the glue off right away, because if you don't, it's going to become a part of your wood, and the stain isn't going to get into the wood where that glue is. So, boom, my friends, how quick is that? So, that's pretty cool. So I've got that one done. That was the last one of that of this style. So I have just one more to go, I think. But there you go. Thanks for coming to my shop. I appreciate it. This is SC Custom Designs. We have 400 videos. Probably repeating myself. I just want to make sure that I cover all the bases here. We got 222 subscribers now. Yay, we're climbing. And we appreciate you coming into my shop. Thanks, guys.